Hey everyone, welcome back to PodEnglish Stories. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo.
Maya, are you okay? You look terrible.
Maya, I'm done. I'm quitting. Everyone says I need to study 2 hours every day. 2 hours! I don't have time. I work, I have a life, I'm exhausted.
Well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to save Leo, and I'm going to save you too. Do you think you need to study English for hours every day? You're wrong. Today we're teaching you the lazy person's method.
Lazy person's method. Now you have my attention.
But before we save Leo, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps us reach more English learners.
And if you're feeling as tired as me, comment, I'm exhausted too. Let's support each other.
Okay, Leo, tell me what happened. Were you always this tired?
Let's see. Last week, I was super motivated. I was on fire. I told myself, I'm going to study English every day for 2 hours. I studied for 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I felt like a champion.
And then what happened on Thursday?
Thursday, I was tired from work. I didn't study at all. Friday, I told myself I'll study extra on the weekend. But the weekend came and I just wanted to relax. The fire went out, Maya. Now I feel worse than before because I failed again.
Leo, you didn't fail. The system failed you. The problem is that you relied on motivation, and motivation is like a firework.
A firework?
Yes, think about a firework. It's beautiful, bright, and exciting. Everyone loves fireworks. But what happens? It goes up, whoosh, it explodes, boom, and then it disappears. That's motivation. You can't trust it.
But everyone talks about motivation. Stay motivated. Find your why. All the videos say this.
That's the problem. Motivation gets you started, but it won't keep you going. You need consistency, not motivation.
What's the difference?
Think about brushing your teeth. Every morning, do you wake up and say, "Yes, I'm so motivated to brush my teeth"?
No, that would be weird.
Exactly. You just do it. You don't need motivation. It's automatic. That's consistency. You need to make English learning automatic like brushing teeth.
Oh, so consistency is boring, but it works, and motivation is exciting, but it fails.
Yes, exactly.
Remember, this reminds me of guitar. Last year, I was so motivated. I bought an expensive guitar, $500. I practiced every day for 1 week. Then the guitar went into my closet. Now it's collecting dust for 10 months.
Does this sound familiar? How many of you have something like this? A guitar in your closet, gym equipment, language books you never opened? Comment and tell us.
But Maya, I am lazy. How can a lazy person be consistent?
Here's the secret. Make it small. Don't study for 2 hours. Don't study for 1 hour. Study for just 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's not enough.
Let me show you the math. 5 minutes per day, 365 days in a year, 5 times 365 equals 1,825 minutes. That's more than 30 hours per year.
Wait, what? 30 hours just from 5 minutes a day?
And if you read just one page of an English book every day, that's 365 pages, a whole book. If you learn 5 new words every day, that's 1,825 words in a year.
1,825 words. That's almost 2,000 words.
And research shows that with just 1,000 to 1,500 words, you can understand about 80% of everyday English conversations.
This is amazing. I can do 5 minutes. And on Sundays, when I want to eat pizza and watch Netflix, I can still do 5 minutes.
Exactly. You can have your pizza and your English progress.
If you love pizza and hate studying, comment pizza and English. This method is for you.
And here's another benefit. When you only need 5 minutes, you remove all excuses. You can't say, "I don't have time," because everyone has 5 minutes. And often, once you start, you feel good and do 10 or 15 minutes. But even if you only do 5, that's still a win.
So 5 minutes is the minimum, but I can do more if I feel like it.
Exactly. 5 minutes is your promise. Anything more is a bonus. This removes pressure and makes it easy to start.
Okay, I love this, but how do I make sure I actually do these 5 minutes every day?
Great question. You need a tracking system. It's called Don't Break the Chain.
A calendar?
Every day you do your 5 minutes, you draw a big red X on that day. After a few days, you'll have several X's in a row. That's your chain.
A chain of X's.
And your only job is not to break that chain. You're not trying to become fluent, you're just trying to put an X on today's calendar.
That's so much easier. I can do that.
This works because it changes your focus. Instead of becoming fluent, you're just focused on one simple action. Mark today's X. The longer your chain gets, the more you'll want to protect it.
Shazmani, did I put my X today? Yes. Chain is alive. I'm successful.
After a week, you have 7 X's. After a month, you have 30 X's. You look at that calendar and think, I did this for 30 days. I don't want to break this chain now.
But what if I get sick? If I break the chain, does everything end?
This is the most important rule. Everyone, listen carefully. Missing one day is a mistake. Missing 2 days is a new habit.
What does that mean?
Clearly, never miss 2 days in a row. Never. Life happens. You might get sick. Missing one day is okay. You're human. But if you miss 2 days in a row, you're creating a habit of not doing it.
So if I miss Monday, I must do it on Tuesday no matter what.
No matter what. Even if it's just 1 minute, even if it's 11:59 p.m., you do something to keep the habit alive.
Everyone, repeat, never miss 2 days in a row.
Say it with us. Never miss 2 days in a row.
Never miss 2 days in a row.
This rule is more important than being perfect. 1 minute on a bad day is better than skipping completely. The chain must stay alive.
Okay, I feel better. I was worried I had to be perfect every day.
Perfection is the enemy. Consistency is the goal. Now I want to show you something powerful. Leo, close your eyes.
Okay, they're closed.
Leo, speaking softly. Imagine December 2026, 1 year from now. You're in a cafe. Someone speaks to you in English. You understand perfectly. You answer them fluently. The words just flow.
Wow, that feels good.
That's future Leo. He can speak English. And future Leo is looking back at today, saying, thank you. Thank you for doing those 5 minutes today. Thank you for not giving up.
That's powerful, Maya.
Time is going to pass anyway. Whether you study or not, December 2026 will come. The question is, what will you do with that time?
I want to be future Leo, the one who speaks English.
Then today's 5 minutes is a gift to future Leo.
Everyone, think about your future self. Where do you want to be in 1 year? Make a promise in the comments. Future me, I promise to.
Write it down. Make it real.
Maya, what mistakes should I avoid?
Mistake number 1, trying to do too much. Don't say, I'll study 5 minutes, but also do this grammar book and watch this movie. Start with just 5 minutes. One simple activity.
Keep it simple.
Mistake number 2, waiting for the perfect time. Don't say, I'll start on Monday. Start today. Start now, even if it's 11 p.m.
Today is day 1.
Mistake number 3, studying random things. Have a simple plan. For example, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, read 1 page. Tuesday, Thursday, learn 5 words. Saturday, watch a 5-minute video. Sunday, review.
Simple plan, easy to follow.
And mistake number 4, comparing yourself to others. Don't look at people who are more advanced and feel bad. You're only competing with yesterday you. Are you better than yesterday? That's the only question.
So every day I just need to be 1% better than yesterday?
Yes, just 1%. Those improvements add up.
Okay, I'm ready. Today, I'm going to learn 5 new words. Just 5 words. I'll write them down, understand their meaning, and use them in sentences.
Perfect. Specific, simple, doable.
And I'm moving these giant books away. They're too overwhelming.
Start small, grow gradually.
I'm picking up calendar and marker, and I'm putting a big X on today. This is day 1 of my chain.
Yes, start your chain today.
There. Day 1. The chain has begun.
Everyone watching, we challenge you. Today is your day 1. Start your chain today.
Don't wait for Monday. Start right now. After this video, do your first 5 minutes, then comment day 1 complete.
You know what, Leo? You look so different from the beginning of this video.
I feel different. At the beginning, I was ready to quit. I felt like a failure. Now I feel hope. 5 minutes doesn't scare me. The chain system makes sense. The future Leo visualization is powerful.
That's exactly what we wanted. We wanted to change your mindset from I can't to I can do this, one small step at a time.
If this video helped you feel less overwhelmed and more hopeful, I hope you feel different now.
Because you can do this. Anyone can do 5 minutes.
And we need to say the most important phrase.
Say it with us.
Perfectionism is the enemy of consistency.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. 5 minutes of imperfect practice is better than 0 minutes of perfect practice.
Done is better than perfect. Consistent is better than intense.
If this video helped you, hit that like button right now.
And subscribe. We make videos like this every week to help your English journey.
We're on this journey with you.
Turn on notifications so you never miss a video.
Now, before we say goodbye, we have one final question. This is your homework. What is the one 5-minute action you will do today for your future self?
It can be anything. Read 1 page, learn 5 words, watch a short video, practice pronunciation for 5 minutes.
Write it in the comments. My 5-minute action today is make it a promise.
When you write it down, it becomes real. It's a commitment.
We'll read it, we'll reply, we'll cheer you on.
And if you complete your 5 minutes, come back and reply, done. We want to celebrate with you.
Maya, what's the most important lesson from today?
Be the turtle.
Yes, explain what that means.
Be the turtle means slow and steady wins the race. You don't need to be the fastest. Just keep moving forward, little by little, day by day.
The turtle doesn't worry about the rabbit. The turtle doesn't compare. The turtle just keeps walking one step at a time.
And at the end, the turtle wins, not because it was fast, but because it never stopped.
So remember, you don't need to sprint, just walk. 5 minutes a day, 1 foot in front of the other.
I'm going to be the turtle, slow, steady, consistent.
What about you? Rabbit or turtle? Comment below.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. We hope this video helped you feel less overwhelmed and more hopeful.
Remember, you can do this. 5 minutes a day, mark your X, never miss 2 days in a row.
And don't forget future you. Future you is counting on today you. Make them proud.
We believe in you. We're cheering for you.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye. Consistency over motivation.
Leave your comment. My 5-minute action today is...
Leo, we already said that.
I know, but it's important. I want everyone to commit.
Okay, now we're done.
Bye, everyone. Be the turtle.
Start your chain today.
Be the turtle.